Imagine a cake so tall and airy, it seems to defy gravity. A cloud of a crumb, cradling layers of cream the color of a summer sky at dusk. This is my layered blueberry chiffon cake. Now, this cake has a secret history. It was born in the glamorous 1920s, the invention of a Los Angeles insurance salesman who spent 20 years perfecting it for the Brown Derby restaurant. For 2 decades, his recipe was a Hollywood legend, and today we're bringing that legend to our own kitchens. But every legend starts with a simple truth: blueberries. We begin by making a quick jam. Into the pot, 2 cups of berries, half a cup of sugar, and a squeeze of lemon. As it simmers, the berries burst, releasing their jewel-toned juices. We're concentrating that flavor, letting the natural pectin thicken it into something spoonable and glorious. Let this cool completely. Now, for the cake that made Hollywood swoon. In one bowl, we sift our dry ingredients: cake flour, most of our sugar, baking powder, salt. In another, we whisk our egg yolks with water, oil, and vanilla. That oil is the secret to its tenderness. It coats the flour and prevents a tough crumb. But the real magic is in the meringue. We whip the egg whites with cream of tartar. As we whisk, we're unfolding the protein chains and trapping millions of tiny air bubbles. We want stiff, glossy peaks, a cloud that can hold its shape. We gently fold a bit of this meringue into the batter to lighten it, then we add the rest. The folding is a gentle art, a series of turns, scraping the bowl, bringing the batter up and over. We're combining 2 worlds without deflating that beautiful, airy structure. Now, here's where most cakes would get a cozy, greased pan. But not this one. We spoon the batter into an ungreased tube pan. I know it feels wrong, but trust me. This cake needs those bare, ungreased sides to grip. It needs something to cling to climb. Think of it as a mountaineer needing handholds on a cliff. Without that friction, it would just slide right back down. We're giving it a surface it can trust. We bake it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until it's golden and springs back. And then, the non-negotiable rule of the chiffon. The moment it comes out of the oven, we invert the pan. We let it cool completely upside down. This is the cake holding on to its hard-earned height, stretching as it sets, refusing to surrender to gravity. It's a beautiful defiance. Once cool, we slice it in half, revealing that ethereal crumb. Now for the cream. We whip cold, heavy cream with powdered sugar and vanilla until it forms soft peaks. Then we take 2/3 of our cooled, jewel-like jam and fold it in. This is where the color deepens into something almost magical. That purple isn't from a bottle. It's pure, concentrated summer. We brush the cut sides of the cake with a simple syrup kissed with more jam. Then we spread a generous layer of that lavender cream, scatter fresh berries across it like hidden treasure, and gently place the second layer on top. We frost the entire cake in the remaining blueberry cream. Then we take a bit of the reserved plain cream, thin it slightly, and spoon it onto the center, coaxing it into a slow, elegant drip down the sides. A few piped swirls, a tumble of fresh blueberries, a whisper of mint. Now behold that first slice. The crumb is so light it nearly dissolves on the tongue. And then comes the cream, silky, tangy, sweet, with the concentrated essence of a sun-warmed blueberry in every single bite. It's refreshing. It's decadent. It's the taste of a 1920s Hollywood dream, reimagined for today. This cake is a labor of love, but every step, from that first simmering berry to the final drip, is pure joy. From Food Illustrated, and as always, enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.